Bouwimpex is known all over the world for its quality building materials. Bouwimpex is the right address for hygienic solutions in many industries. We produce PVC wall systems with windows and doors. Our wall systems are produced out of high-grade UV-resistant PVC. Through an extrusion process, we produce tongue and groove panels which click together into a very strong wall. Because of the structure of the panels, Bouwplast walls can be installed freestanding up to a height of 4 meters. The honeycomb structure, the outer wall thickness and the material strength ensure that a very strong wall can be built, with only 35 mm of total wall thickness. Our panels are produced in a width of 250 mm and 400 mm in the standard colors grey and white. We have many different profiles to support the wall system, such as U profiles, L profiles, H profiles, corner profiles. A rubber band between the panels ensure a good water-resistant seal. Yet, be aware that you store our materials out of direct sunlight. In the next few minutes, we are going to show you how easy it is to build an interior wall with our materials. We are going to build a straight wall. The materials we need are Bouwplast panels, L profiles, U profiles. We need to measure the height of the wall. Always subtract 1 cm of the tight measurement between the floor and the ceiling, because we need some room to work with and room for the U profile on the floor. For the bottom U profile, we measure the length of the wall. Installing the bottom U profile. With a chalk line, line out both sides of the profile where it needs to be installed on the floor. Put silicone on the bottom of the U profile and put it into place. Mark places where a door will be installed in the wall. With an 8 mm concrete drill, drill holes about every 70 cm. Make sure not to drill where doors will be installed. Put the hammer plugs into the holes and screw them tight. Install a U profile on the beginning and an L profile on the end of the wall. Take a long level and mark where the profiles have to be installed exactly above the bottom profile. Install an L profile on the ceiling, so when we install our panels, they will lean against this profile. For cutting PVC, use a circular saw with small teeth or a jigsaw. We will use a jigsaw. Always start a wall with a U profile and start with the tongue of the panel. With a block of wood and a good hammer, knock it into place. All the panels should be installed with the arrow pointing in the same direction. Cut your next panel and put it right next to the first one. One person holds the panel in place on the top, the second person knocks it into place, starting on the bottom. Repeat this procedure until the end of the wall. For the last panel, measure the room between the last panel and the wall. Start measuring from the top of the tongue. You need the crowbar to install the last panel. Put an L profile on the end of the wall and on the top. Our wall is finished.